Tell me about yourself.
I have over 5 years of experience in retail management, starting as a sales associate and working my way up to assistant manager. My journey has equipped me with strong leadership skills and a deep understanding of customer service. I thrive in fast-paced environments and enjoy mentoring my team to achieve their best. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your company's success and help drive operational efficiency.
Why do you want to be an assistant manager?
I want to be an assistant manager because I am passionate about leading teams and driving results. I believe this role will allow me to leverage my skills in problem solving and team management while contributing to the company's goals. I am eager to take on more responsibilities and help create a positive work environment that fosters growth and success.
What are your greatest strengths as an assistant manager?
My greatest strengths include my ability to communicate effectively and my strong organizational skills. I excel at building relationships with both customers and team members, which helps in creating a collaborative work environment. Additionally, I am adept at managing multiple tasks and prioritizing effectively, ensuring that operations run smoothly even during peak times.
Describe a time you handled a difficult situation with a customer.
Once, a customer was upset about a product defect. I listened to their concerns and empathized with their frustration. I offered a replacement and a discount on their next purchase. By addressing the issue promptly and respectfully, I was able to turn a negative experience into a positive one, and the customer left satisfied.
How do you motivate your team?
I motivate my team by setting clear goals and recognizing their achievements. I believe in providing constructive feedback and creating opportunities for professional development. Regular team meetings help us stay aligned, and I encourage open communication, which fosters a supportive atmosphere where everyone feels valued.
What would you do if an employee was underperforming?
I would first have a private conversation with the employee to understand any underlying issues. I would provide constructive feedback and set clear expectations for improvement. If necessary, I would offer additional training or resources to help them succeed. Monitoring their progress closely would be essential to ensure they are back on track.
How do you handle stressful situations?
I handle stress by staying organized and maintaining a positive attitude. I prioritize tasks based on urgency and delegate responsibilities when necessary. During high-pressure situations, I focus on clear communication with my team to ensure we work together effectively to meet our goals.
Why should we hire you over other candidates?
You should hire me because I bring a unique combination of experience, skills, and a strong work ethic. My background in retail management has equipped me with the tools to lead a team effectively and drive sales. I am committed to continuous improvement and am excited about the opportunity to contribute to your company's success.
What do you consider to be the most important skills for an assistant manager?
The most important skills for an assistant manager include strong leadership, effective communication, problem-solving abilities, and customer service excellence. These skills enable an assistant manager to support the team, ensure operational efficiency, and maintain high customer satisfaction.
How do you ensure effective communication within your team?
I ensure effective communication by holding regular team meetings and encouraging open dialogue. I use various communication tools to keep everyone informed and aligned on tasks and goals. Additionally, I promote a culture where team members feel comfortable sharing their ideas and concerns.
Describe your leadership experience.
In my previous role, I led a team of 10 employees where I focused on fostering a collaborative environment. I implemented weekly check-ins to discuss progress and challenges, which helped build trust and accountability within the team. My leadership style is participative, as I believe in empowering team members to take ownership of their tasks, which has led to improved morale and productivity.
What qualities do you think make a successful assistant manager?
I believe that successful assistant managers possess strong communication skills, adaptability, and a customer-focused mindset. They should be able to motivate their team, handle conflicts effectively, and make informed decisions quickly. Additionally, having a strategic approach to problem solving is crucial for navigating the challenges that arise in a managerial role.
How would you handle a conflict between team members?
I would address the conflict by first speaking to each team member individually to understand their perspectives. After gathering information, I would facilitate a meeting where both parties can express their concerns in a respectful manner. My goal would be to guide them toward a resolution that acknowledges both sides and reinforces teamwork moving forward.
Can you give an example of a time you improved a process?
At my last job, I noticed that our inventory management system was causing delays in restocking. I proposed a new tracking system that utilized software to automate inventory counts. After implementing this change, we reduced restocking time by 30%, which improved our overall efficiency and customer satisfaction.
How do you prioritize tasks in a fast-paced environment?
I prioritize tasks by assessing their urgency and impact on the business. I use a combination of to-do lists and digital tools to keep track of deadlines and responsibilities. During busy periods, I focus on high-impact tasks first while delegating less critical tasks to team members, ensuring that we meet our goals without compromising quality.
What would you do if you disagreed with your manager's decision?
I would approach my manager privately to discuss my concerns respectfully. I believe in open communication and would present my perspective with supporting data or examples. If my manager still felt strongly about their decision, I would support it fully and work to implement it effectively, as it's important to maintain team cohesion.
How do you ensure customer satisfaction?
I ensure customer satisfaction by training my team to prioritize customer needs and providing them with the tools to resolve issues effectively. I also encourage feedback from customers and use it to improve our services. Regularly reviewing customer satisfaction metrics helps us identify areas for improvement and celebrate our successes.
Describe a time you had to make a difficult decision.
Once, I had to decide whether to let go of an underperforming employee. After several discussions and attempts to support their improvement, I realized that their performance was affecting team morale. I made the difficult decision to part ways, ensuring that I followed company protocols and provided them with resources for their next steps. This ultimately led to a more motivated team.
How do you handle feedback from your team?
I view feedback from my team as an opportunity for growth. I encourage an open-door policy where team members feel comfortable sharing their thoughts. When I receive feedback, I take the time to reflect on it and consider how I can implement changes. I also follow up with the team to show that their input is valued and taken seriously.
What are your long-term career goals?
My long-term career goal is to advance into a managerial position where I can lead larger teams and drive strategic initiatives. I am committed to continuous learning and development, and I hope to gain more experience in areas such as budgeting and strategic planning to prepare myself for future leadership roles.
What would you do if you were given a task outside your job description?
I would approach the task with an open mind and a willingness to learn. I believe that taking on new challenges can lead to personal growth and benefit the team. I would also communicate with my manager to clarify expectations and ensure that I have the necessary resources to complete the task effectively.
What do you think is the most challenging aspect of being an assistant manager?
I believe the most challenging aspect is balancing the needs of the team with the expectations of upper management. It requires strong communication skills and the ability to advocate for my team while also aligning with the company's goals. I approach this challenge by maintaining transparency and fostering a collaborative environment where everyone feels heard.